I ordered a new reel the other day. It's an Able sealed freshwater drag with the De Young brown trout flank. I'm really excited to get it, and I want to go fishing with it as soon as possible. It's wintertime now, so I'm going to have to go fish the Swift River around here that's in Belchertown, Mass. It's good all year round. It's tough in the winter where they have a lot of midge hatches and stuff. So it's going to be cold when I go, and I have an old pair of duck hunting waders, neoprene duck hunting waders, that are leaky. I know the boots have some little holes in it, and there's a seam or two that leaks. So I want to go to this local river near me, dunk myself in, and try to find out where the leaks are so I can repair them so I can have warm waders when I go fish the Swift River. So I have these old duck hunting waders. I know they're leaky waders. There's some holes in the rubber boots, and some of the seams are a little leaking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the water. I'm going to take a Sharpie with me, and I'm going to see where I feel the water comes in. Then I'm going to circle it. Then I'm going to go home and I'm going to use shoe glue to try to repair it. Squat in the river. So I really don't need the Sharpie. The only place it's really leaking is right in the seam in the butt. So that should be good. So I can see that the seams are coming apart in certain places. Where the seam tape is, where the seam tape is coming up, I'm going to put some shoe glue in there and smash it down, and then I'm going to go over the outsides of the boot. So I went over all the seams with the shoe glue and really kind of jammed it in there so that you fill all the voids. I did it from the inside because I prefer not to look like I got all kinds of crap all over my waders. You can see some of the cracking in the rubber all along the edges. So that's where I'm going to put the shoe glue. So I covered all the cracks with the shoe glue. I hope it'll work all right. It's not necessarily pretty, these repairs, but I think they'll work. I think it's still better looking than caulking. Trying to break through the ice. See how well it works. It seems to be pretty dry. It seems like the shoe glue worked. Let me see, I'm going to do a dunk. I'm not leaking, so doing the inside seemed to work pretty well.